This is Miss Decker's 7th grade history test, Regions of Texas. The directions are: the map below shows major cities, waterways, and regions of Texas. Use the map to answer any questions that follow. Number 1. Where are most of Texas' large cities located? A, in the eastern part of the state, B, in the northern part of the state, C, along the Gulf of Mexico, or D, along the Rio Grande. Number 2, which region is located at the number 4 on the map? F, North Central Plains, G, Mountains and Basins, H, Great Plains, J, Coastal Plains. Number 3, which two cities are in the same metroplex? A, Austin and Houston, B, Corpus Christi and Galveston, C, Dallas and Fort Worth, D, Amarillo and Lubbock. Number 4, you have a diagram. Which city is marked by the letter E on the map above? F, Houston, G, Dallas, H, Fort Worth, J, El Paso. Number 5, which of the following rivers does not flow through the Hill Country region of Texas? A, Brazos River, B, Sabine River, C, Colorado River, D, Pecos River. Which one of those rivers does not flow through the Hill Country region of Texas? Number 6, what physical feature is common in both the Great Plains and the Coastal Plains regions of Texas? F, lack of significant water resources, C, cold winters and humid hot summers, H, flat land suitable for farming or ranching, J, major cities with large metropolitan areas. Number 7, when traveling from east to west across the state of Texas, which of the following describes the changes in physical geography that occurred traveling east to west? A, the elevation decreases, B, the elevation increases, C, wide open prairies span all across Texas, D, canyons and basins turn into coastal plains. Number 8, how does the physical environment of coastal Texas compare with that of the mountain and basin regions? So how does the physical environment of coastal Texas compare with that of the mountain and basin regions? We're comparing two regions. F, coastal Texas has more rivers. C, coastal Texas has a higher elevation. H, the mountain and basin region has more agriculture. J, the mountain and basin region has long summers and warm winters. Number 9, what is the most arid region of Texas? A, North Texas, B, West Texas, C, Central Texas, D, Coastal Texas. Number 10, you have a map of Texas precipitation and a key. How is the amount of precipitation in East Texas different from the amount in West Texas? F, East Texas get more rain than West Texas. G, West Texas gets more snow than East Texas. H, East Texas gets approximately 25 centimeters or less precipitation per year. J, West Texas gets more than 75 centimeters of precipitation per year. So take your time and look at that. Number 11, the passage below from the Texas Almanac discusses wind farms in Texas. So the passage, the Texas Plains continues to see rapid growth in wind farms, while more recently expansion has begun offshore on the Gulf Coast. In all, Texas has 6 of the 10 largest wind generation projects in the country. Based on this passage, what conclusion can be drawn about wind energy in Texas? A, Texas leads the nation in generating wind energy. B, wind farms in the Gulf Coast region will soon outnumber those in the plains. C, Texas plans to build wind farms throughout the state. D, wind farms are highly profitable in Texas. Number 12, which statement best describes how climate affected economic development in West Texas? F, constant threats of large thunderstorms make it difficult to farm in this area. G, the region is too dry to support farming, so ranching became more prominent. H, the arid, humid conditions made the region perfect for establishing cotton farms. J, hurricanes damaged farms and railroads built in this area, so few businesses located there. You also have a vocabulary builder. So the directions are to match each term to the correct definition. Number 13, let me just read 13 through 19 is going to be your matching. I'm going to read the definition and you find the answer in the word bank. The word bank is basin, arid, petroleum, drought, butte, agribusiness, alluvial soil. So number 13, a flat-topped hill smaller than a mesa. So find your word in the word bank that is going to match. Number 14, a period of lower than normal precipitation. Large-scale farming, including productions, processing, and distribution. Next one, rich soil that has been deposited from flowing river water. (17) A sunken area in a plateau found between mountain ranges. A type of oil that is the source for gasoline and lacking enough water for things to grow. So that might have been a little confusing. So just a flat-topped hill smaller than a mesa. Go find that in your word bank and put the letter A beside it. So the next one would be B, a period of lower than normal precipitation. Go find that in your word bank and put the letter B beside it. And so on. That's how that works. So on the next set, select a vocabulary term from the box that best answers each question below. Write the terms in the space provided. Not all terms will be used. So you have 20 through 24. That's five blanks. And you have 6 words. Number 20, the production of plastics, fertilizer, and synthetic rubber from oil and natural gas are blank industries. 21, the rolling plains feature hills, buttes, and small plateaus called blank. 22, years of blank have stripped the Llano Basin of soil and minerals. 23, blank provide low-cost labor for products sold in the United States and other countries. 24, the Guadalupe Range includes some of the highest blank in Texas. And that will be the end of your test.